Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have a post review. This one I got from Ecoolbuy. I ordered it back in May, received it sometime in June. Did not have any problems with this canvas at all. I don't even remember how much I paid for it. Not much. But it's a 30 by 40, and it has, what is that, 18 colors. Now, this has no DMC numbers. So, I did have drills left over. What I do with my drills that are not DMC is I go ahead and put them in individual baggies. And then I just put all of those into a large baggie. Because I think one time, sometime or another, I'm going to try to sort them and possibly try to add them into my DMC storage. I don't know. Also thought about, since they aren't DMC, to just use them in a different project or something. I don't know. Undecided. But this, I had no issues with this. It was good and sticky. I had no issues with the drills. All the drills were great. I really had no issues at all whatsoever. Like this part right here, I'm not really understanding why they needed those 3 spots to be that dark and nothing else is. That was the only, strange thing with this canvas, but not a big deal. But I do like this. I think it's cute. And even at this size, you can still make out, what it is, what she looks like and everything. So, the shine, it has a real good sparkle to it, if you can see it. But yeah, this is, like I said, this was from Ecoolbuy, and I've had no issues at all whatsoever with it. And that's about all I got. Like I said, y'all here for a little while, y'all are going to see a lot of post reviews of things that I received before I started my YouTube channel. So I don't have an unboxing video for it. It's just going to be a post review. So, I guess if you've got any questions, you can put them down there in the comment box. But like I said, this is a quick video. I just want to jump on, show you what this one looked like, and that's about all I got, folks. So anyway, if you are a subscriber, I appreciate you sticking with me. If you're new, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell so that you know when I do have more videos coming. And I guess until my next video, I will see everyone later. Bye, y'all.